Hello, everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the Canvas calendar and exploring a few of the features that it has to offer you as the instructor. In an effort to keep this video short, we will just be going over the instructor's perspective and we'll save the student's perspective for a later date. However, I will go ahead and tell you that the majority of these features are going to be shared across both the instructor and student's perspective. And if there are any differences, I will go ahead and try to notate them throughout the course of this video. So jumping right in, we're going to go ahead and access the Canvas calendar by clicking the calendar icon on the left-hand side of the Canvas page. Once in the calendar, we can see that we are currently on July 5th, which is the current date, by noticing that it's slightly more gray than it is white. To navigate through the calendar, we can do so in a variety of ways. The first that we're going to take a look at is using these left and right arrows to move backward and forward through time, respectively. If we click it just once, it will go ahead and just jump us back a month or forward a month, depending on which one we're going to click. Additionally, you can click where it says July 2022 and enter in any date that you could possibly want to search up, or navigate through here by months and select the specific day that you would like to jump to. Additionally, we can use this smaller calendar over here on the right-hand side to move forward or backward through the months, and click on the day once we are in the correct month. You can change the calendar view from week to month by clicking in the upper right-hand corner. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the weekly view and then jump back to the monthly view. You can also view an agenda if you would like to do that. Going back to the monthly view, we're going to take a look at adding a few events to our calendar. To add an event to our calendar, we can do so by clicking on the day that we would like to add the event and then choosing the type of event we would like to add. For a generic event, go ahead and leave it on the Event tab. You can enter in the title, change the date, enter a time, and a location. Additionally, you can choose to add this to your calendar, or you can choose it to add it to any course calendar that you are listed as the instructor in. So we'll go ahead and make a test event. We'll leave it set for March 2nd, 2022. And we're going to go ahead and say that this event is going to take place from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. And this will go ahead and take place in my office, 5224. Once I'm done, I can go ahead and click submit and see that this event was added to my calendar. Additionally, I can create an assignment through the same method, but instead I will go ahead and click on the assignment tab. Here we can go ahead and enter in the name of our assignment. Make sure that the date is correct, and this will be the due date rather than the event time. And then choose which calendar I would like to place this on. Given that I'm creating an assignment, it will go ahead and default to the course that I'm the instructor in. I can also choose to change the assignment group that this assignment will appear under. So I'm going to go ahead and make this a project. And then I can go ahead and click on this check mark to go ahead and publish the assignment as soon as I submit it. If we would like to change any settings of the assignment, we can do so by clicking on the event, clicking this hyperlink, and going into the assignment details page. The next thing we'll take a look at is the appointment group. To create an appointment group, click on the day you would like to set it up for, click on the appointment group tab, and enter in the name for the appointment group. For this day, we'll go ahead and create an office hours appointment group. We'll set the location to my office, and then we will select the course calendar that we would like to create this appointment group for. We can set the time range that we'd like this event to continue for. And then we can choose to divide this time range into increments that we so choose. So in this case, we'll leave it for 30 minutes, click go, and you'll see that it divided that 8 to 12 p.m. appointment range into 30-minute intervals. We can choose to limit the time slots that we have available to however many users we would like to choose. So we'll go ahead and enable that option and make sure that only one user can sign up for the one time spot. And you can also choose to limit how many times a participant can sign up for an appointment. So this will automatically be set to 1. We'll go ahead and leave that for now. And finally, you can choose to allow other students to see who has signed up for a specific time slot. We'll go ahead and leave that off and click on Publish. The last thing we'll take a look at is the My To-Do option. The My To-Do option allows you to add something to your to-do list that will appear on the right-hand side of your Canvas dashboard. We're going to go ahead and add a test event. We'll go ahead and leave it set for July 19th. And we'll go ahead and make this due at 8 p.m. We'll leave this set to our personal calendar. And we'll go ahead and submit it.